One of the regularly maintenance items that you need to take care of on your Casita is the door hinges. Unlike your home, the hinges here in your RV don't have a soffit or an eave or anything protecting it from the weather, so they will get rusty and dried out over time. And it's a really simple process to just deal with it. You have 3 hinges here, series of hinges, and all it takes is just a squirt of WD-40. You don't need to be crazy about it. Just a little bit of, this is WD-40 in spray bottle instead of a spray can, but just a little bit of squirt in each one of the, right? And you're gonna want to clean up your mess. But just a little squirt like that. And then you're going to open and close the door a couple times. To work it in. And then what you can do is you can go from the inside and give it a squirt from there too. So this will, like I say, just not, you don't want to go ape about it. You don't want to make a mess. And once again, just work it open, close a couple times. And then with a paper towel, clean up your mess. You don't want it to get filthy. Now, like I say, I'm just using WD-40. As a matter of fact, as I recall, Casita specifically mentions WD-40. And then, there you go.